toilet paper. She call him worthless Puppa, boy. She say you is a worthless Puppa. She say you have bills to pay. And you a spend half your paper on ganja. And you a buy beer liquor and your money you a squander. And your family a yard not even toilet paper. Boy, what this Puppa? Me say fi stop a supermarket, you them want dinner. You hear me? Nobody stop around bar. Remember you open the fridge. Remember you open the bed. Don't forget fatty round the lane for the pound of sugar and the loaf of bread. Tell me how you feel when your pocket full of money and you a walk and a boast about your 5 little youth and you not mind none of them. Say you have bills to pay, yeah. And you a spend half your paper on ganja. And you a buy beer liquor and your money you a squander. And your family a yard not even toilet paper. Worthless Puppa. Light bill due, water bill too. Right you know, you there a hotel with Sue. Tell me how you feel when you spend half your money and the ice and water in your fridge. How you expect them to live? Worthless Puppa, you hear me? Me say if you stop a supermarket, you them want dinner. Boy, nobody stop around bar, cause you have bills to pay, yeah. And you a spend half your paper on ganja. And you a buy beer liquor and your money you a squander. And your family a yard not even toilet paper. Worthless Puppa, worthless Puppa, boy. She call him worthless Puppa. She say you is a worthless Puppa. Remember you open the fridge. Remember you open the bed. Don't forget fatty round the lane for your pound of sugar and the loaf of bread. Tell me how you feel when your pocket full of money and you a walk and a boast about your 5 little youth and you not mind none of them. Me say you have bills to pay, yeah. And you a spend half your paper on ganja. And you a buy beer liquor and your money you a squander. And your family a yard not even toilet paper. Yes. Say you have bills to pay, boy. And you a spend half your paper on ganja. And you a buy beer liquor and your money you a squander. And your family a yard not even toilet paper. Worthless Puppa, worthless Puppa. Light bill due, water bill too. Right you know, you there a hotel with Sue. Tell me how you feel when you don't have your money and the ice and water in your fridge. How you expect them to live? Say you have bills to pay, hey. And you a spend half your money on ganja. And you a buy beer liquor and your money you a squander. And the family a yard not even toilet.